In this video, I'm going to show you how to use built-in ruler on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in setting, simply scroll down, go in display, again scroll down, tap on edge panels. Now to enable the edge panel, simply tap on this toggle, go in panels, make sure in the panels your tool is selected. If it is not selected, then simply tap on tool. As you can see, tools is selected now. I will simply go back in home. Now I will simply slide from this side. As you can see, edge panel is showing. Now again I will slide it. Here you can see compass is showing, but when I tap on 3 dot, it will show some other tools. I will simply select ruler from here. As you can see, ruler is showing. Now if you tap on centimeter, it will show in inches. Now if you tap on inch, it will show in centimeter. So this is how you can use built-in ruler on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.